Jadi Maharashtra sa ko paman, CM ni sa ko paman. Ini 3 kilometer. Sini party office, Korbok party office ora tu tini rally kha organized by Imam Dol. Sini YTF division boro jaga tu organize kiyo as a public hisabe. Tini ang dol riyang. As EMU yang kau samia. Tini Sanjay Mani Tripura. As MLA yang bung paimia. Tu as a public Tripura is nagorik yang tu payo. Hana yo tini Maharashtra product kisu. Bo master por master tini honorable tini respected DM. Gumotin DM by bung kau salani chesta kewo over a telephone. Tini public interest niba pandabo. Elaka develop niba pandabo. Mamge DM mane Sara district impossible. Administration impa. Head of the administration runga keha district ni DMC. Abo banda Maharashtra over telephone bo bar contact khini chesta khema jaga chini DM hesite keha bo even Maharashtra ona so dirkomas phone block he tung here. Abo banda wo chung Maharashtra je babe bo bai to tamulo ungha je DM bai thangma leni. Hoi to babo saroi time pop na bo official banglo bini quarter Maharashtra thangka Bichandra Monu keha official program pai aro thangma len thangma jaga wo chini DM Maharashtra har yaungha. Abo jaga wo chini Tiprasan insult Maharashtra insult aro jaga wo chini honorable CM Sri Purnachandra Jamatia bo tongo tar mane eti chini CM no insult khe mane bungbai malaya mane entire TTDC administration ebong Tiprasan insult khemo klayo amo panda chini all of a sudden chung bike dongha chini Maharashtra ni sakho je babe behave mone chin CM ni sakho je babe behave mono to ye chung tino khaduma panda rally chung tini rally organize ma kha bono jaga chin loge phaimaya phayo esi Tiprasa as well as chini youth ni fight arungye chini Sujay Uchoi YTF ni district president chini Nondoram Tripura Korbu ni youth ni president chini regional committee ni vice president Robindra Deborma chini regional committee ni youth ni ungye Suten Riyang chini party ni president ni Hironmoy Tripura chini Madam Energy TWF ni central committee ni secretary ni chini tinio jotto chini bro kina 3 kilometer bo itihas ongnai 3 kilometer Korbo South Vicintia to Hina in the party office of Baton Toto Klom to chop Yakung Saman Yakung Sa here getting Maharashtra Opoman Managing Opoman to Kaduo to several city or Rio DM to several city Rio Chini Maharashtra with the Bangmako had much as the Kawa Pokia some way to Kurian Karano Tini to Bangka Hareli the Prasani Alakawa Vixit Barat Vixit Tripura where is Vixit Barat where is Vixit Tripura Urban Elakawa building Tokto Tongue online virtually inauguration khema mai Tiprasar unoti he chungko selamaya Tiprasan jaga bang mata for unconnected road no water facility no electricity no education facility boni ba pando Maharashtra kau sani he GM malen thamo jaga mama not even a 5 minutes why DM cannot entertain Maharashtra why DM cannot entertain CM sab they do not want chunglaro thaya bono boni thamya Maharashtra Mumbai kau salen thamo Tiprasan hamkai ni ba pando Maharashtra never wanted anyone's against anyone. He always wanted for the welfare of the people of Tiprasa, for the welfare of the people of this state. He wants peace and harmony. Boss jago book to jago bung negative to ye Maharashtra pass min jago bung entertain kheme boss chini dukho aba panda chung tini rally kheu korbo jago ba chung mukhyamantri no state honorable CM sir Sri Dr. Manik Shah ji no chung kobau nai as a nagorik as a citizen bung no within a bound time another 72 hours is left Sini YTF bono thai 96 hours. Tabat 72 hours left. Sini DM now dai Gomoti district administration ye bono transfer kheni to. Position sini dabi. Only single dabi tinin rally. DM now dai transfer kheni to. Boss sini dabi. Sponsor ka chun dabi te hala mukhyamantri saka. Sini Dr. Manik Shah bung joton mai CM into ke bung joto Tripura joni CM Tripura joni hamkrai nayo. Joto political party in boy se bung CM here singke. DM not bung transfer kenito. No officers belongs to any political party. No processing office harau party ni boy brakuno jorito kroi. Officer must treat fair and equally to all political representative. Boss isini dabi. Amo pandawa DM na daiproi Gomoti district ni bono transfer kenito. Boy as a nagorik ang CM ya as a citizen of this state ang bono dabi kawo on behalf of all my people on behalf of MLA board saha Tiprasan ni se chungsawo chini Maharashtra sa Opoman CM ni sa Opoman that means Tiprasan ni sa Opoman chumbono chung soicho khemaya ta korang ko amo pandawo jot to bono korang to saning to keha dopani sakap chung against somia chung justice nayo hambai
Bubar!